We had a meeting this morning. It's a multi-agency meeting, and we had a session with all distributors, those who distribute liquor here in Kirinyaga County. We have taken them through a vetting process to confirm whether they are genuine distributors or fake distributors or licensed distributors or legal distributors. And from that meeting, we were able to establish that there are people who have been distributing liquor here, and they had no license at all. We also verify further the type of products they distribute. And we are not stopping at that. We also go further and establish the source of the product. Where is the source of the product they are distributing here? If they are getting from a manufacturer in Nairobi, we have to get a letter from that manufacturer that he has appointed so and so as an agent of distributor. If a distributor has an agent, we also must produce a letter showing that he has appointed so and so as his agent. So we have said that anyone or any distributor who has no license from the county government of Kirinyaga to distribute liquor in this county, we have told them to keep off. There's no distribution for them in this county. And we also go further and verify even their products, working together with KRA, KEBS, NACADA, anti-counterfeit agencies. We will verify the products they are distributing. So we will not leave any stone unturned to make sure that once the county government will license the bars, whatever product liquor that will come or are sold in the bars are genuine. So that's now the process we have started, and the process is still on. We ask for cooperation from all players, the bar owners, the genuine distributors, members of the public, so that we can have, sanity. We can sanitize the whole process and have people doing genuine business to do their business. Those who have been doing fake or counterfeit business, we'll put them behind bars. Package. Yes.